Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today is Monday the 6th, and I'm going to go over how to sign up for Smart Music, which is going to be the platform that we're going to be using for much of jazz band, concert band, drumline choir, and maybe a little bit of guitar. So here's what you need to do. First step is to go to www.smartmusic.com. And you're going to go up to the top right hand corner, click Login, click New Smart Music, and it's going to bring you to a page right here. Click Create an Account, a little white box underneath. And what it's going to give you is a bunch of information here. So you're in Canada. For the time zone, just type in PAC. And that will bring up, we're US Pacific. That's us right there, I think. And are you at least 13 years old? Yep. So fill out all your information here. When you use your email, make sure you use your Learn34 as your main email. And then use your backup email as your personal email. So when you're filling this out, select your primary instrument. This is going to be important in the future. So make sure you select your primary instrument, whatever instrument you play in jazz band or concert band. If you play two different instruments, then just select the one you do the most. For drumline and percussion players, please select snare drum. That's going to be important in the future. So select snare drum, and then Isabella, you might want to select mallets as your secondary instrument. Read the terms and conditions if you do that, and then click this and this. Actually, don't have to click that. You'll get spammed if you do that. So click Submit. A little window is going to pop up. I'm not going to do it because I've already made an account. Window's going to pop up saying, please check your email and validate your account. So you go to your email, you check that, and you're going to validate the account. So you can just pause here, take a moment to do all that. Okay, so you've made your account, and you're going to log in, and this is what it's going to look like. So you won't have these active classes right here. You're just going to get a blank home screen. Something might pop up that says, hey, you haven't joined any classes. So that's what you want to do. I've made classes for jazz band, choir, drumline, everything. So what I want you to do is once you have logged in, go up to the top right hand corner, click your little profile guy right here, click Join a Class. And the class codes are going to be provided for you in Google Classroom. So it's like a Google Classroom code, but it's specific to Smart Music. So once you do that, click the class code, and then you'll be good to go. So I'm going to be posting information on how to use Smart Music. It is a really, really cool tool, and I'm actually really excited to use it because I think it's going to be pretty cool. Thanks, guys.